So today I'm gonna do a really natural look with a bronzy glow, and one of my favorite ways to do this is to mix our So Blown primer, which is an amazing product, by the way. You can use it as a makeup primer, you can use it as clear makeup to just blow out every fine line, pore, anything on your face. I'm gonna mix that with our Sundrip bronzer. So next I'm gonna jump in with Caliray Hideaway. I'm gonna use 2 shades of this product, and I adore this product because it does so many things. It's like we stacked color corrector, a little bit of concealer, and a little bit of secret illuminator all into one product in a lightweight hydrating serum. So I actually use this all over my face. My personal shade is Warm Sun Glow. I'm also gonna use some of this Dawn, and the way I use it is as a highlighter. So this would be too light of a shade for me under the eye, but I use it on my cheekbones, forehead, and around my nose to create highlights on the face that are really, really pretty and almost invisible. So now I'm gonna take our little Caliray concealer brush, and I'm gonna blend this all together, and you're gonna see that you're gonna really get this bright, beautiful, lifted look, but you're not gonna have a shimmery effect to it. The way I would describe Caliray is it's really beauty made for movement. You know, we're all so busy, we're always running around, and we want clean makeup, but we want it to last. Caliray is gonna stay with you all day, but you're gonna have that clean makeup base to it. Okay, now we're gonna jump into our Blurry blush. This product is really cool because instead of looking dewy, it actually blurs everything out. So you're gonna get this really beautiful soft focus effect that also blurs out pores and fine lines. And it is also a super long wearing product. So this product is super pigmented. You don't need much. And again, I am a Gen Xer, so I like to keep my blush really high. It keeps your face lifting, which is really, really important as you age a little bit and you get more mature. You want to just keep everything going up, up, up. So you can see how beautifully this product just blends right into the skin. It kind of blurs out all those pores and fine lines. And then for a little fun, sometimes I just take the excess on the brush and just kind of hit the top of my nose with it. I'm gonna apply setting powder now. And the reason I do this before mascara or anything else is because I really like to dust the powder on and dust it off, and I don't want any of it getting into my semi-wet mascara. So I'm gonna use the Caliray setting powder brush. This is also brand new, and I'm gonna do one side of my face so you can see the brightening and blurring effect. Now we're gonna add some liner to this look, and I actually use 3 pencils every time I do a liner look, and 2 of them are the same color, and here's why. Because I need a sharp black pencil and a softer rounded black pencil, and I'll show you why. Now these pencils are great because they are in a sustainable barrel, so they call it the candy cane barrel, made from sugar cane. I'm gonna use my black pencil that's not super sharp. This one is in the black shade called Night Diving. I'm gonna go into that upper inner waterline, and you don't look at the pencil. If you want to trace this waterline, you just don't look at it. Now I'm gonna go in with my sharper pencil, and what I'm gonna do is start right above my iris. And I'm just gonna trace out straight. So all I'm doing is creating kind of a triangle shape here. And then what you wanna do is match up your corner of your nose, outer corner of your eye, and outer corner of your brow. That's the lift you wanna get on that baby cat eye. So you're not gonna have to go out like a big major cat eye. You're just gonna keep this triangle really tiny and then fill it in. And this is the easiest way to get a really pretty lifted, elongated look. And if I'm gonna add a little more dimension, I take my brown pencil. This one is called Secret Spot, also nice and sharp. To give a little more depth to that baby cat eye, I'm just gonna trace along the edge that I made with the black liner. And this way you can elongate it without it looking really harsh. So I just curled my lashes, and now we are ready for mascara. I love this Come Hell or High Water mascara, and one of the coolest things about it is the vial it comes in is actually made from upcycled ocean plastic that we harvest right out of the ocean. So the whole thing is completely sustainable and recycled. So what I love to do is start at the base of my lash. I give a little wiggle and then pull through. And then I just start kind of blinking. And even with one coat, you get a really great volumized and lengthened effect. To finish off the look, I'm gonna use our Surfproof setting spray. And I love the setting spray because we just tested it. It will give you 24-hour wear in a clean at Sephora formula. and an ultra fine mist. So it gives you that sprayable skincare. It's gonna feel really good going on. So I usually do a stripe down the front, down either side by my ear, and then fill in. And then I go in here and fill in. Then the last step, I like to do what I call the undercarriage. So it's really easy to have your makeup wear off under your nose, under your chin. So I spray here, here, and here to make sure I get everything fully set. Okay, now I'm gonna finish my lip. I put a little lip liner on, but I'm going to top it with our Lipguard lip gloss. This is actually a glossy balm that has SPF 31 in it. So this product has a beautiful, fresh, juicy, tropical scent. And I love the big fat applicator with a little tiny well in it. That really gives you a nice, rich application of the gloss. This gloss is in shade Big Sur. All of the Lipguard glosses are named after a beautiful beach. So this is my final look. It's super easy to create. It's with all Caliray, which is beauty made for movement. That means it's clean at Sephora, and it's gonna give you long wear, incredible performance and stay with you all day.